So Malama Aina is super important to us being Hawaiian. Hawaii is the only place that we have. Hawaii is what makes Hawaiians Hawaiian. So this idea of Malama Aina is super important to us being Hawaiian and being from Hawaii, and so we need to remember that we need to care for this land who is caring for us. We need to make sure that we are taking care of our land. It is super important because it identifies who we are as a people. We are connected to this land, and it has nurtured us for all of these generations. So we want to make sure that we malama it as much as it malamas us. In our halau, we try to teach these values of malama aina. We do research and we do mele that we try to reinforce these values of malama aina. We do community work days. We have gone to Punalu'u and worked at a ulu farm that was there. We've been up to Waialua and we worked at a lo'i that was up there. So we try to do activities with our halau that really does promote that idea of aloha aina and malama aina.
Our special place is called Ke Kahua o Kuali'i. Kuali'i is the chief of Oahu. We take our children to learn and to interact with nature. Yeah, we clean the area. We plant native plants, tea leaves, ipu, just anything that we would use for hula. And this place is located in the Kauainui marshlands in Kailua. So I try to take them at least once a year, maybe twice a year, depending, so that they can experience what it's like to just go to a very peaceful, calm place and dig the dirt for a change and plant something. And the next year when we come back, that little kukui tree that they planted is now half full grown. And so this kind of experience for me, I think, is something that our keiki need today, because it's getting harder and harder to find open spaces where indigenous plants grow.
The goddess Hi'iaka Ikapolio Pele reminds us that she is a part of all of us, that her gift and her ability to heal the earth resides in each and every one of us as human beings, that we have the ability, the capability, the possibility of changing the landscape across the earth. We know that we're experiencing things today that are terrible and tragic, from storms to wildfires across the globe. Australia, the Amazon, more recently Hawaii Island, with fires spreading from Pu'ukapu all the way up to Waikiki. No one's remembered things like this happening, and there's a reason. But Hi'iaka reminds us that we have the ability to make a change. We have her healing powers within us. So I am absolutely encouraged by our younger generations who are out planting ai, planting kalo, taking care of native ecosystems, that are planting ohi'alehua and palapalai, and having all of these things work in the favor of the world that we live in. And so if we're talking about malama aina, there is no more important time to actually have a conversation about it than right now. And if there is someone that you know that can help you on your malama aina journey, I encourage you to learn all about it. I know that in the past 2 years, malama honua, malama aina has been quite a big part of my life. I've transformed my whole aina that I live in. And so I know that it's possible. I know that it's enjoyable. I know that that I go home every day after work just excited to malama my aina.